Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about filters in CapCut. Let's get started. Filters are preset color styles you can apply to your videos with one click. They change the tone, color, contrast and mood of your clip instantly. Kind of like Instagram filters, but with more control. They're perfect for quick edits, mood changes, or creating a constant visual aesthetic. Select your clip in the timeline, go to the filters tab at the top, and on the left you can browse the categories that you have. Click on a filter to preview it. To apply it, either click the plus or drag it manually to the timeline. And on the right you can adjust the intensity slider to control how strong the filter looks. Let's break down all the filter sections you'll find in CapCut. First is the featured section. These are the most used or viral filters at the moment, usually bold, modern or aesthetic. Use these to stay on trend, which is perfect for Reels, TikToks and face-based content. The next one we have is the Pro. These are premium filters that require a CapCut Pro subscription. You'll find higher end looks, more cinematic, color accurate and subtle looks. This is perfect for commercial edits, YouTube videos, client work or product highlights. The next category is Life. Soft, clean and natural tones, like lifestyle vlogs or beauty content. This boosts skin tones and brightens shadows, usually pastel or neutral vibes. This is great for vlogs, fashion, morning routines and aesthetic reels. The next is Landscape, designed to enhance nature footage, greens, blues, skies and trees. These filters boost saturation, sharpen textures and balance contrast in outdoor scenes. Use this for travel videos, drone footage and hiking or scenery shots. Movies. These filters mimic cinematic film color grades. You'll find teal, orange looks, deep shadows and moody tones. This is perfect for short films, montages, B-rolls, emotional edits. Mono, black and white filters, from soft gray to high contrast noir styles. This removes all colors and focuses on light shadows and emotion. Use these when you want to make a timeless, dramatic or classic feel. Portrait, filters that use beauty faces and smooth skin tones. They soften harsh lighting, brighten skin and enhance eye clarity. This is ideal for talking head videos, makeup content, selfie edits and interviews. Retro. These are vintage styles filter with grain, fade and old school tones. Some have color washes, others emulate VHS or 90s aesthetics. Use these for nostalgic edits, TikTok trends and vintage mood reels. Night scene. These filters are built for low light or night footage. They clean up shadows, boost clarity and add color back into dimly lit shots. This is great for club videos, street edits, concerts and night vlogs. Again, we have landscape filters, but these are a bit different than the earlier ones. And the last section we have is food. These filters boost warmth, saturation and sharpness. Makes food look richer and more appetizing. Colors like red, orange and brown are emphasized. Use this for cooking content, restaurant promos, food vlogs and ASMR meal preps. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.